name is Pamela Alvarez and I'm a marketing strategist here at Céntrico Digital. Today I'll talk to you about MailChimp, which is a tool for email marketing and email automation. We use MailChimp with many of our clients because it's really user-friendly and also it has different functionalities. MailChimp is able to integrate itself with different programs or platforms that we use here at Céntrico, such as Facebook, Instapage, Zapier, and e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and BigCommerce. In MailChimp, it's really easy to classify your contacts properly because you don't have lists, but you also can add tags to those contacts in those lists and create campaigns for those specific tags. In MailChimp, it's really easy to build emails because you can personalize them with colors, different texts and fonts. You can use call to actions. You can even add YouTube videos to those emails. It's really easy to use, so that's why we love it. MailChimp has different accounts available. And the best thing is that if up to 2,000 contacts, the MailChimp account is free. So that's really convenient for small businesses. And yeah, that's why we love MailChimp. I hope you enjoyed this video.